Hey YouTube family, this is Laura with Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters, and I know this isn't my normal tutorial video. I actually wanted to get on because I have a huge announcement, and I love my YouTube family. You guys are so engaging, and a lot of our customers come from YouTube, and I'm so glad you enjoy our tutorial videos. We hear that all the time. But I want to let you know that I have been working for the last few months on creating Vintage Typewriters 101. It is a workshop and it's only $44. Like seriously, that is so cheap because it's 23 lessons and it's got a 64-page workbook that is not only digital with live links, it is also downloadable. I mean, and I'm actually good at clean it up a little bit, not clean it up, but make it into a spiral bound printable workbook sometime in early to mid 2025. I mean, the workbook came out so nice. I just have to adjust a few things on it because it's made for a workshop. And I need to pull those things out that refer to the workshop and just make it a printable spiral bound workbook that's Vintage Typewriters 101. It has almost everything you need to know about vintage typewriters in it. Obviously, it's not going to tell you how to repair them, but it's just it's great. It has history in it. It has what to look for when you buy. It has access to a typewriter valuation table that I update every few months. It's got photos of that shows you examples of different typewriters. It has my suggestions for the right typewriter for you, how to determine what's the right typewriter for you. It's got some common questions and issues and maintenance tips. It is so full. I mean, it is jam-packed and you're gonna want this. I mean, I can't think of anybody that's not going to benefit from this. So anyway, that's my big announcement. VintageTypewriters101.com is where you go to find out about it. Seriously, it's only $44, but if you use the code YouTube, you get $5 off. So you get lifetime access to this for $39 and access to a private Facebook group where you have access to myself and my husband, Rob, answer questions, and other students, and you guys can answer each other's questions. You can put a question out there for Rob and myself, and we'll answer those first before going to other social media channels or even our own email. That group is priority. So the price, that $39, is more than what the value of having access to that private Facebook group is worth. I mean, seriously, grab this because I have a feeling that probably next year I am going to put a 1 in front of that number because this workshop is that good. And you get lifetime access. So every time I update information or add to it, you get more information. I mean, this is seriously the best tool out there. I don't even know why I'm doing it so cheap. But honestly, I started it and it turned out to be a behemoth of a project, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of it. And I wanted it to be for the price of a lunch, like taking a friend out. Hey, let me take you out to lunch and tell me all about typewriters. That's how this came to be. And that's why my new business is called Over Lunch Workshops, and Vintage Typewriters 101 is the very first workshop I've done. And we'll see how it goes. But I'm so excited about it. I'm like, you guys, this is amazing. So jump on over. Don't forget to use the code YouTube. And thanks for being part of our YouTube family. And if you're not part of our YouTube family, please subscribe right now. Seriously, let's double our subscriber base. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.